Hi, I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. We're on week 9. And our prompts for week 9 is something that hangs on a wall. I'm going with a frame. Clothing accessory. I've got this shoe. A road sign. I've got the road sign. A pattern with stripes. And I'm going to go with this. A sticker from a fruit or vegetable. I got that off of my bell pepper. And bonus is a list. And I've got this little card that says a list of illustrations. So be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP9. I hope everybody is going to enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished collage, and I really like how it turned out. I feel like I say that every week. I think I do say that every week, but I do. I like how it turned out. I've got my something that hangs on the wall. I've got my frame, clothing accessory. I've got a shoe, a road sign, pattern with stripes. I've got this lady. A sticker from a fruit and vegetable is underneath that netting. All I had was one with a bell pepper, and it was just a barcode. But I covered it up with that gold netting, and it kind of camouflages it, but it's there. And the bonus is a list, and I've got that list of illustrations. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP9 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.